Good afternoon, this is Kelsey Mansray with EXP Realty. We have made it to the Chatoba Lane property here in Collierville. This property is actually about 15 minutes from Walnut Grove Road. This is also near the interstate. And then this property is also about 10 minutes near Briarcrest Christian School and Houston Levy Road. This house has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. 2 of the bedrooms are downstairs. The property also sits on a 0.3 acre lot, and the square footage is between 3,200 and 3,300 square footage. The property was also built in 2013. It is on sale now for $689,000. It's a wonderful property. Want to get a chance to look at it in just a few moments. You saw walking into the property that it has a 3-car garage. And this property was also custom built in the Spring Creek subdivision here in Collierville, not too far from Monterey Road. You'll love the open floor plan, the high-end finishes, just the custom built home. Very warm and inviting. And so let's now go on and get a tour and see what we might find. In addition to all of the other amenities and features of the house, the neighborhood boasts a golf course. There's also a pool nearby within the community. There's tennis and pickleball courts. And then of course the scenic nature trails. So it's a really nice area for families and also just to enjoy, make friends with the community. So as we enter, we go to the left and you see the stunning open floor plan, which is very welcoming and inviting when you have guests over or even just some wind down time. You walk in and there's a place for dining. And then also you walk to the gourmet kitchen here. You see all the stainless appliances. Cabinets, the large island here with an extended area for extra seating. A GE profile stovetop here. Look at the tile for the backsplash. And then there's an extra seating area here. Pay attention to the concrete flooring. So this is a wonderful space. Just soak it all in and imagine what you could do with this space yourself. And then from the den, we can walk out into the closed-in patio. And I love the hammocks. That's a nice touch. Just to sit back and enjoy and rejuvenate and just relax. And you can also see the backyard from here. There's a nice play area, play set for the kids. So while we're back here, let's go on and explore the backyard. So there's also shrubbery and trees here. So you have the additional benefit of privacy in the backyard here. So it's a nice space. Nice space for kids to run around and enjoy themselves. All right, so now we're back inside of the building. And we're back in the kitchen, and from here you probably already saw there's additional space here. So this is a great preparation area for foods, or just to be clear of clutter in the kitchen. This is a great space in terms of the pantry. Oh, wow. So this is a very deep pantry. So if you're a chef, you'll love this area. If you have pets, want to store, whatever. I'm just speechless. I've never seen a pantry this deep. All right, and then coming in from the garage, you see there are some hooks here, places for you to store shoes and whatnot, and even a seating area to sit down and put shoes on. So that kind of helps with keeping the floors clean. But you see there's additional shelving above where you can store items and things. And also is another room here, your laundry room. See, there's a sink, shelving, and cabinets. All right, so if we can walk in here. All right, and there's a slight ramp here to the 3-car garage. All right. Closet space. We're gonna walk through the kitchen, through the den area again. And after walking through the den area, you see we're going straight into another room. So this is probably the master bedroom. So you can open up the windows, allow the natural lighting come through, which is great in the mornings. All right, and we proceed to the master suite here. This is a very lovely space with his and hers sinks on separate sides of the restroom, facing toward the tub here with shelving on each side. Walk-in closet. So it's a beautiful, not walk-in closet, excuse me, walk-in shower. You can make it a closet, but no, this is a walk-in shower is what I meant. Then you can see There's also a large walk-in closet here for the Mrs. and Mr. to share, or this could be a bachelorette or bachelor pad, of course. But it's a wonderful space. You have closets here for all of your toiletries. All right, so let's move on. From here you can see we can walk up the steps, but let's finish the downstairs tour first. But I want you to see all of the storage space that's available. It's a nice closet there for guests to place their coats when coming over to visit. All right, so we're back at the entry point here. And now we're going to make a right. All right, so this is a flex space that could be an office or a fitness room or even a playroom. All right. Okay. See, there's also a restroom here. So that's nice for guests when they arrive. They can come straight from the entry door and make a right to either the guest room, office, playroom, and the restroom here. It's a beautiful restroom. Oh, and there's another door to the bonus room slash fitness room, flex room, playroom. And closet space here. Okay, I need to hurry. Let's go on. Okay. All right. So now let's walk upstairs and check out the space. So there's a place to store equipment, audio equipment, multimedia equipment. And you enter into another flex room. So this is, I guess, a playroom slash sitting room with the barn doors here. That opens up to another flex room, which could be a bedroom, playroom, or office with a huge walk-in closet you see here to the left. And a lot of space for storage in the attic here. So also upstairs, walk down the steps, and there's another bathroom. And another bedroom. How adorable. So this is definitely a place for you that you can call home. Your kids could call home. You see the huge walk-in closet there for children or guests, or you can make this into another office. Just depends on your preferences. And there's another place for storage in the attic. So that gives you a very good idea of what this home offers. So I hope you enjoyed this tour today. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm Kelsey Mansray. My number is 901-451-8089. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.